Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. The markets crashed today. Nvidia down. We said Nvidia could go as low as $100. We warned of this. We also said it would go through 140. It did. 150 on CES. It did. But why is it selling off? Well, we've just done a deep dive video on Nvidia. Go and check it out, what Jensen Huang is saying on my previous video. I'll put links below. I just made that in the live show a few moments ago. If you are watching this live, you can rewind it the moment I showed you a latest bit of news from Nvidia. But the reason why we're making this video is we talk about the Trump trades and the chaos that's being created right now. A lot of noise with the tariffs. So the whole market sold off last week because of the jobs report. Everyone is now fearful that inflation's going up, but the only reason it's selling off now, two reasons. One, fear of tariffs. That won't exist in a couple of weeks. That will all go away. And two, the jobs report presented the opportunity for people to consider that inflation is going up. It's not. The CPI and data report and PPI will be out on Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll cover it live. That'll be as expected, and the markets will rally. What am I doing? I'm buying more. But to add to all of that chaos and all of that excitement, just provides opportunity for investors to buy more. Remember, this whole game is about a transference of wealth from the patient to the inpatient. We only just shared another item this morning about Gorilla. One of the stocks that we covered had the CEO live on the show. The stock rallied 200-300%. Then it sold off after our interview, as expected. And some people who don't understand bought at the top, sold off, sold for losses. And now Gorilla's gone straight back up again for the reasons we explained in the video this morning. You've got to understand the markets. Don't chase it. Don't follow me. I only own the S&P anyway, so no one ever follows me anyway. The best advice I could give you would be just do nothing. Own the S&P, but I'm not going to say that, all right? But no one listens anyway. Here's what Trump's economic team is saying about tariffs. This is just out a few moments ago on January the 13th when they're making this video. It's just come out. Very, very important. Lots of wind, lots of noise, and it's creating opportunity to buy the dip, and I'm buying big on the dip. I've shared with you how much I'm buying. I am through the flipping roof. Over a quarter of a million. And remember, I started with $5,000. So no one is more bullish than me. Nobody. It's just a week away before President-elect Trump takes office, and many investors are talking about the policies that will be enacted under the new administration. And just as Biden leaves, he's trying to scupper Nvidia. It's what he thinks is best for America, to protect America. But Nvidia are not happy. Jensen Huang is not happy. The stock is going down, ready to be bought back. It's all a game. This is all the world of money. It just works like this. And it's so predictable. It gets laughable after a while. Anyway, I've been buying it. So anyway, we've got Biden trying to do one thing and Trump will just reverse it all anyway. The most controversial economic approach has clearly been tariffs. Everyone is scared of tariffs. They think that Donald Trump is going to put huge tariffs on everybody and blow everything up. Absolutely not. It's a big negotiation platform. I am completely impartial. Remember, I'm not biased one way or the other. I'm not Republican. I'm not Democrat. This is a TV network, and I'm completely neutral. I don't do things like you do in America, where CNN is pro one and Fox is pro another. I'm a TV network bringing everyone together, everyone's voice. We're on X. We're also on Blue Sky. We talk to everybody, and I'm completely impartial as a green card holder. I can tell you that for nothing. But I know that all of this is all noise and bluster, and it's going to go away in a few days. Here's a rundown of what Team Trump is looking to get out of tariffs and why they might be the best tool or bargaining chip to deal with everything from manufacturing and trade to the fiscal deficit. Agree? Disagree? Comment below. All right. Do comment below, actually. I like that. In fact, I'll put a little like there, and this is really great. By the way, can everyone tap the like button? We're about to break an all-time record for a normal opening bell show. If we can get to 200 before the bell goes, that'll be an all-time record on a normal opening bell show. So please tap the like button. It'd be great. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, the truth is what tariffs have a long and storied history as both a revenue-raising tool and a way of protecting strategically important industries in the U.S. President-elect Trump has added a third leg to the stool. Just remember, if the tariffs were put in place that Trump is suggesting, the market would crash because inflation would go through the roof. Trump knows that. It's not going to happen. I'm absolutely confident that it's not going to happen. It would be financial suicide for the United States. He knows it. Everyone knows it. It's just playing around with numbers at the moment. He's not even in office. The truth is that tariffs have a long and storied history as both a revenue-raising tool and a way of protecting strategically important industries in the United States. President-elect Trump has added a third leg to the stool. Tariffs are as a negotiating tool with our trading partners. Our size gives us market power and the ability to dictate terms. Other countries need us more than we need them. We have but to use that power. He's right to a certain extent, but we are a global community. America, can't think it's the greatest country in the world. It's a great country, and there's no such thing as any country as the greatest country in the world. We all need each other and work together, as I have proved on this channel. If we all work together, YouTubers coming together with me, being part of a network rather than individually, we are stronger. And the United States know that. They want to have a bit of bluster, but they also know that we work better together. Okay, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, when you're running for office, you make broad statements so that people will understand you. Tariffs are an amazing tool for President Trump to use. And he understands, don't tariff stuff we don't make and build in America. We can't sell a Ford or GM in Europe because they are 100% tariffs. In Japan also, 100% tariffs stemming from the Marshall Plan. How about we say we are going to tariff you like you're going to tariff us? Of course, they're going to come in and negotiate, and the tariffs are going to come down. Absolutely. All of this is presenting opportunity for Wall Street. They're not investors. They're traders. They're using this to trade the macro conditions, to trade the trend, to sell everything off, to buy it back. So what am I doing? I am buying. Thank you very much indeed for panicking. U.S. Trade Representatives Jameson Greer, tariffs can help support U.S. manufacturing jobs in particular, especially to the extent that they're remediating an unfair trade practice. If you level out the playing field, it makes it so that Americans don't have to compete unfairly. National Economic Council Chair Kevin Hassett. If you look at the Republican platform, the first listed trade policy is the Reciprocal Trade Act, which takes U.S. tariffs to the levels that our trading partners charge us. What happens to inflation? Well, what's the next best supplier? What's the cost ratio between them? And if we bring new stuff to the US, what's the marginal effect on the marginal cost? Don't forget that the tariff affects the price level when it goes in, not the long run inflation rate. Basically, it's a level adjustment. Finally, as we have only 5 minutes to go before the bell goes, Chairman of the Council of Economic Advisors Stephen Mirren, in the real world, we have a one-sided free trade policy in which America isn't nearly as protectionist as other countries. Trump's purposed tariffs could generate some $450 billion in revenue a year for the US. Isn't it better to tax foreign entities for entering the American market than impose new taxes on American families? We also need targeted tariffs to lift such critical industries as defense. The US relies heavily on imports to make the weapons and other material our military needs. This doesn't make sense. Okay, there is an update on the Trump trades. We are a few seconds to go before the bell goes. So what I want to do is something quite unique and special. You'll never hear this done on any other channel in the world. I am pretty confident you won't. We're here today. We want America to do well. Yes, we want the whole world to do well. But today we are investing in the American stock market. I am solely investing in the American stock market. So it's now time to have a bit of oomph, bit of power, bit of get up and go. Are you ready? Are you ready to make a difference? I want to see the chat blow up. I want to see USA, go, 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 go. We're here to invest. We're here to build. This channel is all about building a network, the most trusted network in the world. And I bet you, any money you like, you've never seen a financial YouTube or crypto channel do this. Are you ready to raise the flag? Show some passion? Let's go. Share it on the screen. Click the like button. I'll see you back in 55 seconds from now.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. Oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Oh, the land of the free and the home of the
Thank you very much indeed. Well, we did it. We got to 200 likes before the bell. That is a world record for our show. Absolutely fantastic. We got 1.5 minutes to go. This is very, very exciting stuff. Thank you for tuning in to our Trump special. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here and over here, there'll be more information. We're about to ring the bell. It's a big day. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.